there, it's Ashley from WTI, and Better Boat Store has you covered with their dock lines. As a boat owner, it's so important for me to have a reliable dock line. Better Boat Store has an awesome product here. These are their 1/2-inch dock lines made with marine grade double braided nylon, which makes these resistant to the sun and the salt. My favorite feature, however, is how smooth these are to touch. Very easy on my hands. They're 25 feet and they have a 12-inch eyelet, which makes it a perfect length to tie up your boat to the dock. They're also knot and snag free. They easily store away. The heat resistant ends make sure these are not going to unravel on you. I'm really impressed with these dock lines. If you are new to boating or want to replace your dock lines, then I would highly recommend to my fellow boater. The breaking strength is almost 5,000 pounds, so a really great quality product here for when you're with your family on the water. And that's my point of view.